Hello and welcome to my MMI 503 Project 2 demo video. My name is Zach Zebley. In this video we're going to be going over a convolution plugin based on the Convolvit project. So let's go ahead and load up our project. So what this plugin does is it gives you the ability to morph between two IRs and also just pick which IRs you want using this slider. So let's go ahead and open our IRs. I made all four of these IRs using RackFX's built-in module, the FIR designer. So let's open up this low pass here, and for our second IR, let's go ahead and open this high pass. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. So as you can see, this mode is set to IR1, and here's our low pass. And let's switch it to IR2. And there you can see it's IR2, and this is our high pass. And now let's listen to our audio signal with the IR1. Okay, so now let's listen to it with IR2. So you can see those are both very processed based on what type of filter was applied to them, and that would make a lot of sense. So anyway, what we can do now is we can set the mode to morph, and what this does, it allows us to use this knob to denote how much we want to morph in between those two IRs. So as you can see, the morph is set to 0 right now, so obviously the IR1 is what's showing because there's nothing applied to it yet. So as we raise this slider, you can see it's morphing in between these two IRs. So all the way over here, 128, it's the high pass. And I said 128 because there's 128 different steps in between those two morphs. So that allows us to get 128 different filters that we can get just with these two IRs being morphed together, which is pretty cool. So that sounds like this. Okay, and so now another cool thing we can do is we can set it to the saw mode, and the saw mode uses a sawtooth LFO to modulate or just denote how much of each IR filter is affecting the input signal. So you use the morph rate to denote how fast the LFO is oscillating. So let's go ahead and listen to it. So you can hear that those clicks and pops. The faster the LFO is going, obviously the more clicks and pops there's going to be. But the clicks and pops just are evidence of the LFO, oscillating and affecting the filter type. So anyway, there's that. We can also reverse that. So let's look in the manual mode first and look at our reverse mode. So this, as you can see, this it reverses the right channel and makes it the other IR. So as you can see, the left channel is the low pass and the right channel is the high pass. If we use our morph knob, now you can see they're morphing into one another. And now the left channel is the high pass and the right channel is the low pass. So that sounds like And so on saw, you use this knob. So yeah, that's it. That's the reverse on saw mode. And to get the A, I decided to make a volume knob. So if we turn this all the way down, you can see there's input coming in, 0 output, set to 0 volume. As you raise the volume knob, it gets louder. And as you turn it down, it gets quieter, obviously. Anyway, this would conclude my MMI 503 Project 2 demo video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoyed.